Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial I will show you how to combine objects in Adobe Illustrator. Here I want to make a rounded play button. There are 3 circle shapes placed on top of rectangle shape. To combine them to the shape I want, we use Shape Builder tool. First select all objects. Click on Shape Builder tool on the left side panel. Or you can press Command or Control M on your keyboard. Hold Option or alternate while dragging mouse over area you want to remove. And dragging next shape to combine them. Done. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Wishing all the best for you.